What's up guys, we're about the channel. Today we're going to work on Rango here. We're going to be getting her turned around because right now, if I want to take the axles out of this thing, I'm not getting much farther than this house right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn this thing sideways. So basically back end's towards the house, like the back is facing the house, front's facing the woods over here. And then we're going to get this thing jacked up on all fours and start getting to work on this thing, getting the diff all ripped apart, getting an oil change on her. And you know, whatever else we got to do to her. So let's get to work and let's get going. Alright guys, we got our expert mechanic here who is just a lovely helper. We got it all jacked up. Now our next goal is going to be get the tires off, get the drum brakes off, drain this thing out, and I think pretty much after that, just gotta yank the wheels off. Well, get the C clips out and things like that, but we'll go little by little. But she's keeping an eye on us to make sure that we do everything right. Alright, so some good news here. Brakes look awesome. Don't have to do any brake work. Drums look good. Perfect. Like I said, same for this side. This side looks perfect. Brakes look perfect. Drum looks perfect. Best part about this all also is we don't have to remove anything to do with the brake system because it's totally separate. So all you gotta do is just disconnect it all from inside there and this whole thing just pulls out without me even messing with this stuff here, which is awesome. Well, lucky number 13 actually, guys. Oh my God. I did not expect that to come off so easy. Alright, so now I actually gotta go throw the truck in neutral so I can push this up so that I can figure out where I believe there's a nut or something I gotta take off. May I just say that gear oil is the best oil I'll ever smell? If you can't tell, I'm being sarcastic about that one. Let me investigate this. Alright, so what I gotta take this nut off here and basically slide it straight out to me. There we go. I got the little thing loose. I used one of these like little things to put in a screwdriver thing, the 8mm. And I just put a quarter on it and I just used it as a pivot because I couldn't get the ratchet in. So made a little thing to help me get that work in there. Oh, okay. All right, she is out. So this comes down. Well, that's fine. That's fine. I don't need to come out all the way. That's fine. So, whenever you have this out, do not spin these gears. You spin these gears, those two gears up there go bye-bye. And then you gotta figure out, realign it somehow. So, not a fun thing I've heard, never done it before, but I don't recommend doing it because it doesn't sound very fun. But now all you gotta do is just take your things over here, if you're doing this job, push it in, And I'll show you guys when I do the other side what it looks like. But right here, there's our little ring right we want. You can't really see, it's probably hard to see on camera, but you'll see as soon as I pull it out. There we go. There's our clipperoni we got there. Basically that just goes right back in that way when you install this. But now we got this out, we put this on the side, and basically what you can now do, go to this side, pull straight. And there is your, what do you call it? What do you call this thing? Shaft, your steered shaft thing, Wiggy. I said it before, I always forget terms. But, so you got this here. While we're doing this, we're also going to be changing some of the bearings right here, just so they're changed to all brand new. But we're going to put this guy on the side, get the other side out, and get to work. Take a screwdriver and go, bloop. Oh God. And don't hit the gear and accidentally turn it, because I just did, but it's okay. We're in an okay situation still. Alright, we got both shafts out. As you see, the left side of the truck is longer than the right side, so you cannot mix these up. So don't mix them up if you're doing this. So now our next task is going to be removing the whole inside of here. So we got these 4 big bolts here we gotta remove. Those will remove the caps, and then we'll be able to remove this whole inner gear here. Alright. Alright, that's this cap. Alright, I believe it just... So it does pop out, but I think I need to get a pry bar just to pry that, help pry it out a little bit. Stay right there, magnet. Oh, there you go. Here you go. Oh, there she is. Oh, we got her. All right. Oh, bearing. Oh, there goes a shim. Let's not mix up those shims once again. I'm gonna keep it to just a right and left standard. It's good starting points for them. Left and right. Got our carrier bearing here, which bearings look amazing on it. So, like I said, we're not doing work on this for any particular reason. We are just doing work on this to get it to go faster down the track for what we need to do. So, I'm gonna go put this down somewhere and yeah, start investigating how to get this pinion out. And now that I look at it, I should have took the pinion out first. All right, I just went out and bought a 1 16th. That's where it is. This way. So basically, I'm basically just jam against the ground right there. All right, and she's off. Oh, frig. So here it is. We got it out. It's my voice is echoing inside this pumpkin, but we got it out. Now the next steps is really get these bearings off. All right, guys, so we got it all apart. I will not be taking this apart in this video due to the fact that I gotta go do some stuff inside my house. We do gotta take those bearings out in the end, but I need to go to my grandfather's house to pick up his puller, to pull that out. Main objective today was just to get this stuff off here at least, just so that we can do this all inside the house. We can pull this ring off in the house. We can pull the bearings off in the house. I also gotta go buy a bearing press to actually pull the bearings off and put them on. So can't really do much more today other than try to get the bearings off, but I may do that later tonight. But I guess I got some stuff I gotta do. So out of curiosity, anyone who wants to know how this stuff works, basically this thing here goes on at 90 degrees like this and literally spins this thing 90 degrees. which is pretty damn cool, and pretty cool how this thing does not like destroy itself, which is why oil is very important, and use the right oil. There's a lot more I talked about, but we're gonna get into that into a later video. Next video probably be pulling off the bearings, and I'll be explaining the shimming and all that goes into this. And I also got buy a tool, probably makes it a little easier, but it's $400. There's a $100 one, but I might just want to go the $400 one because it's just easier, and I don't know. We'll discuss that in the next video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please just like down below. Comment down below if you have any advice on doing yourself shimming, you know, any techniques that you guys can use that you guys may know. Share down in the comments below for me, and also just other people who may need help. Subscribe to the channel, do what it takes to follow your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next one.